Administrative boundaries are of great importance, and merging those to carry out analysis is something that is usually associated with it. Merging polygons can be made easy using the Merge Polygon tool in map analysis. The Merge Polygon tool plays a crucial role in spatial data analysis and management for several reasons. Simplifies data representation, maintains data integrity, enhances spatial analysis, optimizes performance, facilitates decision-making, supports data integration, promotes collaboration. Let us see how map analysis can help you create maps using the Merge Polygon tool. From Add Upload, add GIS data, browse for the data and click Add. Crop the data if necessary. Use style data to customize the colors of the polygons. From Process Data, select Merge Polygon. Select the layer. Select the fields that need to be merged, if required. Use the Lasso tool or manually select the polygons. Lasso tool allows you to draw around or over the polygon to select the polygons, and manual selection allows you to click on the polygons and select them manually. Once done, click on Update for the merge to occur in the same layer, and click on New Layer to display the merge in a new layer. I have done it in the same layer for this demonstration. The selected polygons will be merged and displayed according to your preferences. This demonstration of merging administrative boundaries using the Merge Polygon tool gives the idea of applying the principles of Merge Polygon to carry out further analyses in the future. Thanks for watching. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.